Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, like and share if you don't mind, that'd be great. Today we've got a 2013 International ProStar. It does have a roof cap on it, however it is a single bunk mid-roof sleeper. 366,000 miles, automatic transmission. Go ahead and do a quick walk around. Aluminum steers and drives. Go ahead and notate step rail damage there. Clean treads. Please remember to visit our website as well at acceleratetrucks.com. We manage that site daily with our inventory, which changes frequently. Bearing. This is a 2013 International ProStar. It does not take the DEF fluid. Friendly reminder, does not take the fluid. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Again, mileage 366,675. Automatic transmission. AC is blowing cold. Raised roof, but a single bunk sleeper. Controls in the bunk as well. Just plastic covering for the seat. We'll put that back on after the video. We'll hop outside, take a look under the hood. To the other side. There you have it. Again, please remember to subscribe to our page for notifications, like and share with your friends. Check out the full inventory managed daily online at acceleratetrucks.com. Thanks everyone.